Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. As you know, laptops are going to sleep in order to save some battery after some period of time. In case if we want to change that period, then go to Settings. Now go to System. And on the left tab, press Power and Sleep. And in this section, you can change the period of time before the laptop goes to sleep, depending on if it's working from battery power or if it's plugged in. So let's say if it's on battery, let's extend the time to 2 hours, or we can decrease it to 30 minutes. This means our laptop will go to sleep on battery power after 30 minutes. We don't touch it. But when plugged in, let's extend the sleep time to 1 hour, which means our laptop or PC will go to sleep after 1 hour when plugged in, after not touched for 1 hour. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.